Welcome to Creative Science. So today in this project we are going to make a biogas digester. So for this project I need a 20-liter bottle, a pipe, 4 end caps, a gas wall, some pipe connectors, PVC pipe, a tire tube, some washers, black paint, the paintbrush. So let's start a project. So we have to make some holes in this 20-liter bottle opposite to this. So I have cutted some pipe and put some end cap and put this pipe in this hole. Make sure that the pipe should be 2 inches up from the surface. Now we need to put the second pipe here. Don't touch this inlet pipe. Next, make it airtight, and so this is the outlet pipe to let the water out. And now we have to make a hole for a pipe connector. Put an rubber visor. So make it airtight and connect the pipes. So I fixed the pipe. Next, we put an wall to it. Next, after that, connect another pipe. Then we have to connect it to this tube. Make sure that it must be airtight. Next, another pipe. This should be connected to another wall. The wall should be inverted like this way. The off must be like this way and on. If you put this like this way, it may burn yourself. Next, the another pipe will be attached to the tube. The wall inside the tube must be removed. So I have connected it to the tube. So I have to need a cap like this way to put this waste pipe closed. Next, we paint a bottle as if the light rays fall on this transparent container, the algae gets formed. So let's start painting. So I have paint this container. So we have to put I put some plastic for airtight, and we have to put some vegetable and kitchen waste. The vegetables and water must be less than the outlet, down than the outlet pipe. Next, we have to leave it for 1 week, and after that we can test it. So we have to close this wall and open this wall, as the gas must go inside this tube. Make sure that this wall should be closed. So we have to fill some vegetable waste. So I have filled some vegetable waste. So the tank is full with vegetables and some water. We have to close this wall and open this wall to let the gas go inside the tube, and close this wall. Next, leave it for 1 week and 10 days. 10 days and after that the tube will be full of gas, and we'll test it. So after 1 week the gas is fully filled in tube. So we have filled some vegetables and another waste, so the gas has been produced in this tube. So now we'll go, let's test it. So this is our tube filled with the gas. You need to leave it for 1 week. So this is after 1 week. So now our tube is full. Now let's test it. So this is the fire coming out of our tube gas. So tube again. So you need to fill regularly waste in this container and leave it for a week. So now then the tube gets filled. You need to be careful while using this. So for this you can get like this way burner that you can use. So this is very safe. So this is a bonsai burner. You can get it in any surgical shop. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. If you like the video, and press the like button.